or Chubby Rabbit?
Don't turn on the TV, babe.
Mom,
What?
I'm not turning on the TV.
What is that?
That's the iPad.
It is?
Yes, it is. I'm taking a video of Harold. Now, let's go see Josie. Flat screen. Look at our lamp, it's weird. Dun 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 dun. Josie. Josie. There you are. Meow. 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 That's our cat. That's a nice cat. I love her more than anything. Okay, now you're about to go see our evil cat. But might be nice today. And might let me pet her, or she's gonna attack me. Who knows? There's like a maybe 10% that she's gonna be nice to me. And a 90% that she's gonna try to bite me and try to kill me. Did you see her? Yes, you did. Did you see her? Where'd she go? There's a nice cat. Hey, Coco. Hey, cutie. Hey, cutie pie. Please don't go under the bed. I want to pet you. But I love you. Sorry.